Thank you for coming back to my channel, Moses TCG. I believe the reason why you are watching this video, your computer is saying Windows cannot connect to this printer, or Windows cannot connect to this printer. Okay, you get that scenario when you try to connect to a shared printer from a client computer. So the problem is not on your client computer, the problem is on the server. There is something missing, there is some configurations missing. So what you need to do, you have to do this, to follow this instruction and configure something from the server side. The server is the computer that where you are sharing the printer from. So assuming that this is your server, you go to regedit, you just type regedit, the registrar editor program will open. It will give you from the search result, you click on the registrar editor. Now from the registrar editor, you have to click on Hake lock machine. Let me just maximize this so that you can see properly. Then from the lock machine, you click on system, you click this to expand the list. From the system, you click on current control set, you just extend the list. From the current control set, you click on control, again you expand the list. Let me just try to expand this. Now from the control, look for print, just click on the print folder. This is the print folder, you just click on it, don't expand it, just click on it. Now from this space, you just right click and click on new, then click on dual 32-bit value. In that value, you are going to type this. You type RPC auth within level privacy enabled. Okay, after that, just click in the space just to save the changes. Here you have to double click on it just to check if the value data is 0. If it is 1 or 2, just delete it and change it to 0. Okay, now this is the first step. After that, you go to the search, to the start menu, and search for services. You select the services. Now from the services menu, you look for print spooler. Okay, from the print spooler, just right click on it and click on restart service. Once you restart, it will restart all the print services. like all the print services and the print spooler. In case there was any error, it will resolve. Now you have completed to do the to edit the registry and change some settings from the server. Now it is time to go back to your client computer where you're trying to install the printer. You redo the process again, try to connect the print again like the way you have been doing it. It will connect. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit a notification button. In case I upload more videos like this, you'll be able to find them. Thank you. Bye bye.